Hello everybody, nice to meet you all. This is my native community tank which contains dwarf culamin from my native country and these checkerboard bulbs or three stripe bulbs. I have Gambusia affinis as well. I have some hornwort as well on this aquarium. They are currently feeding on these tiny pellets, munching as they go along. These checkerboard bulbs are slowly coloring up, giving up some green and black on the body. And these dwarf culamin are slowly coloring up as well, as you can see in the video. Do like, share, subscribe as well, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video.